Study equipment. That's it.
There's ScotRail approaching and ScotRail pulling out of Glasgow Central. This is ScotRail, obviously serves to Glasgow Central because that's where we are. I got a ScotRail that terminates here, obviously, because ScotRail terminates here. That'll be 441. Oh my goodness. Slow down. ScotRail now coming out of Glasgow Central. Obviously, still no idea where they are. The only ones that I know where they are sometimes the Transpennine and the Avance West Coast. This video might serve the Transpennine also, but it'll be serving one, maybe two Avantis. But like 100,000 ScotRails, like that one that's sneaking out behind me here. Obviously, oh my goodness. It's got its door open. I have never seen that before. Scotland's railway is what ScotRail is. But it's always that sunny in Scotland, sometimes that sunny in Scotland, or not sunny at all in Scotland. This is the ScotRail and Avanti. ScotRail to somewhere I don't know. The Avanti is to Euston. Let's see who wins. By the looks of it, ScotRail was going, but the Avanti to Euston chased after it. Avanti's all in all do go faster than them. But honestly, I think the Avanti's going to win. It's because the Avanti's overtaken. The Avanti's going to win. Sorry for not zooming out there. Be back into a secondie. This is Scott Rowe, you did just jump up behind me. As I said, guys, I would film anything that comes out after me. My father's telling me I need to get through yeah. Okay. Enough on the buying and enough on arriving. Let's just get this one and who cares about the one. But at least you saw it. Literally, I waste all my time. Welcome to the Scott Rail service to Glasgow Central. I think I'm racing one out here. We're just getting this train to Queen's Park. I thought I would just film this short little we've lost. We have lost. Are we getting held? Oh.
Faster.
Come on, driver, go faster.
Go faster! Oh, come on. Please overtake us.
Really? Nah. Oh my goodness.
Алло. В смысле, если... А почему?
I think we're going to lose.
Угу.
Maybe we're not. Scotland's Railways. That means we've absolutely beat them. You'll see.
Never talk about the egg until it's been laid.
Вундеркинды везде бывают.
Oh no, it's picking up speed. Everyone's picking up speed.
Я имею в виду, в
Everyone's
смысле,
making
если
some ground
будут делать. Ты же уже захотела. А теперь слышишь? Алло. Ну, в смысле, если буду делать? Алло.
Don't know, they're gonna beat us, they're beating us. The other ones
Ну, это да.
picking up. Oh my goodness. We're both picking up pace, this is just.
These two drivers are being super competitive.
Yeah. We're gonna win. We're gonna win, we can see the express.
Never talk about the egg until it's
And,
been laid.
well, it has been laid, hasn't it?
Now we have
win. Use your train.
Oh, seriously. Never, ever talk about
We beat them.
Угу.
Yeah, so we beat them to their different way.
Угу. Угу. Отлично. Ладно, все нормально будет. Пропаяю, ладно, сделаю.
Why did you do that? Didn't run away.
Ну, как в компьютере, там все на платах. Как в компьютере, все на платах.
Are these boys?
All mine.
All stations.
Угу.
Dad, would you mind to feed me?
No.
This is the other station that I don't know yet. This is Scott Rail departing from Queen's Park, so to Queen's Park and 100,000 Scott Rails and 100,000 train to Glasgow.